XRSBEAUTY got the best hairline things in the game. Like, no plucking, fresh out the box. You're bugging. Clock the lace. What's cracking, cousins? Welcome back to a new video. So that's my rice. Hold on. So today's a hair tutorial. We get why we're here. Just one of those gems. I've worked with XRSbeauty before. This is one of them gem type of hair companies that is the true meaning of beginner friendly because the lace needs nothing done to it. I didn't pluck it. All I did was put got to be down and went about my way. So if you still need help with how to do that process, it's in here. Their lace is always immaculate. They always show and prove why they are the best. Comes in this lovely box per usual. Always chic. I get my favorite kind of clips from them. Edge brush, wide tooth comb, love it. I got some flexi rods, wig caps, bands. All right, cute. I've never had curly hair from them before, so I'm really excited to try. But I was thinking, since I got the hang of dyeing hair jet black, if I should go for it. No, it definitely needs to be wettened so we could, you know, really see her potential, but maybe we should just try it. I don't know, I love black hair so much, so it's so hard for me to just agree to off black. The knot's already bleached, to be honest. I think it's definitely some pre-plucking going on here. See, the problem is I don't know what style I'm doing. With deep wave, it's like, my go-to is to brush it out and give a poofy half up, half down. Like, that's my jam. And you know what? Why not do it? You feel me? Like, look at that. Look at that. I think I was trying to see if I needed to go jet black. I think that was the initial purpose of me trying this one. I don't think I do. I'm gonna lace, baby. I know I'm in like my third get up, but come on. Juicy curls. Juicy curls, front to back. It looks like it's already bleached. You can probably see better now. Now that I got some light, I'm not keeping it this low. But this is how it's been dried up. Not dried up, but you know what I'm trying to say. Baby girl. Good up part in the room. Okay, so this is 22 inches. And I want to do my go-to. A half up, half down. You feel me? So this is Cover FX's powder and 120, same as the liquid version for me. I'm doing this more so to just make sure everyone's on the same page, just in case. Boom. And what did I say? Oh, so pretty. I don't even have my glasses on. This lace is like outrageously insane. There's some deep parting room. Okay. Heard you. Heard the Donna Summer biopic. Is it biopic or biopic? Probably biopic, huh? I don't know. I'm gonna do it the way I would normally do it, which is got to be glue. I'm not doing anything crazy, so I'm not about to stress myself out. I normally don't go for, like, normally when you pick wigs, I'm not gonna speak for you, but normally I don't like jump to deep wave hair because I have like a smaller face, smaller head, so I just feel like deep wave swallows me up swallows me up if it's not like super long. But you know, it's a new year. I think that I don't know. I don't think I should be that much afraid. If it's good, you know? I could give it a try. I am. So, I don't know what the hell I'm looking about. So, I'm gonna just separate, because I'm gonna lay it down to finish drying with a little, one of those bands you can get from the beauty supply store. We just making sure it's laying how we like. Because it's like such a clear HD thin lace that XRSBEAUTY gave us. We want to make sure there's no wrinkle in time. All right, bitch getting hot. I'm gonna go ahead and cut these ear tabs off for now because they kind of get in the way of the masterpiece. So as these people get connected, we are going to see if we're going to wet this or, well, I'm gonna separate this so we can see what it's hitting for. Wow. I forget how deep wave, like when it first come out the box, you like, who the hell is wearing that? And then my pussy. So I'm gonna just finger. They gave us this comb, so let's use it. Oh, that's big. I don't know if this qualifies as deep wave to me or like afro. If I comb it out and when I re-wet it, it'll be you know, not no less like shedding, less shedding if I comb it out and then wet it. She is giving Tiana Taylor. Back in 2008, you would have been that girl walking around like this. Here's that soft. It really don't need to be plucked, but I'm a lunatic and I just want to see if a little here and there could do. And I don't know why I'm choosing to use this. Feels less frizzy and a bit juicier with this serum on it. And you know, like if you choose your side part, it kind of melts a little better. These ladies over plucked my cuticles to hell, so right now my fingers is feeling a little sensitive. Pretty flat. Are we ready to see how it's laid down so far? Oh my god, I don't know if I am. What am I fucking scared of? Who knows? Yeah, I think this putting a serum in while the hair is like damp pipeline is best to me, because it's like it dries down with whatever ingredient your serum you chose. You know what I'm trying to say? I'm focused on too many things at once, so I can't really hear what's going on. Girl, come on, okay, also. It's the no baby hair look, but now the hairline is definitely beginner friendly. When they say beginner friendly, when people say beginner friendly, I think this is what they're looking for. I'm gonna try this razor method again, just so you guys know my razor journey is not the best. Still try, because I know that using the razor makes a less, you know, abrupt line. You get what I'm saying. Well, maybe you don't. Using a razor as opposed to using scissors makes the hairline look a little more realistic, because it's not like in a straight line with scissors, because the razor like just perforates it. I'm pulling up and tearing because I've cut myself plenty of times thinking I can go close to the skin. So I'm pulling up like this. People would normally use for baby hairs. I think I'm gonna let it go. Definitely cut myself. Pain is pleasure. Ah! I tried a new blush. It's like corally, and I think overdid it a bit. I'm hungry. We're hungry. I'm just not the world's greatest at doing baby hair, so that's not my go-to thing. And I just so happen for my face to like doing non-baby hairlines, if that makes sense. You know? Sometimes, like, don't get me wrong, they always gonna slap, but sometimes it's like, it's not you, girl. My bronzer brush. And this is what I sought out to do, and I think I accomplished it extremely well. XRSBEAUTY got the best hairline things in the game. Like, no plucking, fresh out the box. You're bugging. You OD, girl, in a good way. The higher the hair, the closer to God. Just gonna put some setting spray. Put the makeup. Just loving it. Their lace is always immaculate. They always show and prove why they are the best, because they always bring a starter kit. Let's start with down here, okay, which is normal for everyone else to have. This one is the regular brown lace. Regular brown lace right here. Then we got the next tier up, which is, you know, standard regular transparent lace. You feel me? And then we have what we just put on our head. Invisible. This is without any glue. Obviously, this is with it being pressed out, but they always show you why they're that girl. The proof is in the pudding, okay? So we're clear, as they would say, as they're trying to say, clock the lace. But thank you so much, XRSBEAUTY, for sending me another unit. Can't wait to see what the next one will be. No shade. Can we get a 30-inch down to the, you know, straight? Can we get one of them?